Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our OEM fit 8.8 inch screen in a BMW 545i. It's a manual transmission. That's where we put our camera, OEM fit factory camera. That's the screen installed. As I said, it's a CCC unit and it's a manual transmission. So unit, everything is touchscreen and everything works with the knob with ID6 menu, and also by going to reverse the screen shifts to backup camera. Because it's manual transmission, there is no possibility to do dynamic parking guidelines. By going back to neutral, it switch back to the main menu. Also, let me go to car info, and that's the factory CCC. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. We do free delivery to all over the world right now, and by fast shipping. And that's the OBD reader, reads the RPM and speed of the car. And offline maps are installed too. And that's the USB music, and this is USB video. If you're interested again in this type of units, give us a call 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.
Sometimes I want to punch you in your perfect teeth.